Can you say hi? Hi everyone, my name's Hannah and I'm representing Baby Tape. My husband and I are BYU parents and we want to solve an everyday problem. So let me tell you a story about cute little Everett here. One day I was playing with him and I saw this look come on his face. And I know what that look means, and every parent in this room knows what that look means. It means that Everett needed to poop, and it was going to be awful and horrible. And as he pooped, it went up the back. There was nothing I could do. I just had to watch in horror. And for the next half hour, I had to clean up this baby, I had to throw away the soiled clothes, and I had to pray that it wasn't going to happen again. Every 7.4 million children are under the age of 2 in the United States. That means that each of them go through 60 diapers a week, which is a huge total of 23 billion diapers that the United States goes through every single year. Every parent has had to deal with at least one blowout, and this needs to stop. So what's the solution? Baby tape. Baby tape is a sticky adhesive that goes along the top of your baby's diaper. It's really easy to apply. You apply it along the top and then gently place it against your baby's skin. And the best part is that it stops blowouts. It's really easy to use, it doesn't hurt your baby, and it's safe, comfortable, eco-friendly, so it's sturdy and tight, and it doesn't give you the diaper fright. Thank you.